What do you want from a relationship?
I think the most important things in a relationship is love and trust, because no relationship will survive without those two things. I want us to be able to talk about everything, and we should support each other. We should also have something in common, but he shouldn't be a boy version of me.
What do you want from a relationship?
It is important that we can talk together about everything. We shall have a good time together and can have fun together. He mostly has to be sweet. He shall respect me and respect my friends. He shall not be shy to show his friends that he loves me. It is not important that he has six-pack. If he is sweet, that is enough for me. What do you want from a relationship?
First of all, I want a girl who is sweet. She has to be pretty. It's very important that we can talk together about everything. She has to be funny. My girl must be intelligent. And she has to know what's going on in the world. And she has to go on work. Done.
What do you want from a relationship?
I'm not really looking for a relationship, but because I see no reason to, but I suppose that hypothetically I would have some requirements or preferences to a potential girlfriend. In terms of appearance, I find it slightly judging to be too critical, but I'd find it a little bothersome if she was a lot taller, thicker, lower, or thinner than me. I'd assume though that I'd be okay with just about any hair, eye, or skin color as long as I personally like it. Her personality is obviously the most important part, and it must be someone I like being around, has a good sense of humor, is somewhat intelligent, and also someone who's searching for the same things as I am in a relationship.